Good morning, folks. Yesterday there was an Apple event, the Far Out event, where they unveiled a lot of new stuff like the new Watch 8 series, Watch SE, and Watch Pro, which turned out to be the Ultra. So it's a very strange year where Samsung became Pro and Apple went Ultra. So now let's talking about the Watch Ultra first. The whole new category of smartwatch for Apple. It is distinguishable from other one by the size 49 mm case. The case is made of titanium and it has raised edges. The display sits under flat sapphire crystal. Apple claims of 2000 nits of brightness. They created a large watch face for the display known as Wayfinder. It accommodates a lot more information and can be customized for different environments. On the left side there is a speaker that has a decibel sound of around 86, and as well as a new action button painted in a high contrast international orange. The buttons can be customized for instant access to workout, compass, waypoints or backtrack. The feature allows you to find your way back on the frame. There is a usual home button and digital crown located on the right side. The crown has a larger diameter and crosser groove. There is 3 microphones as well. It has a better battery life of around 36,000 normal use with always on display, automatic workout and constant heart rate, as well as 60 hours on an ultra low power mode. Apple saying that it can go down to minus 20 centigrade and as high as 55 centigrade. It is military STD 810H compliant for low pressure temperature, high pressure, low pressure, altitude, temperature shock, contamination by fluids, rain, humidity, immersion, sands or dust, freeze, ice, shock and vibration. You can use it as a for water sports like kite surfing and wakeboarding. It has certified to WR100 and EN13319, the recognized standard for dive accessories. There's a built-in depth gauge that along with the depth app, showtime depth, water temperature and duration underwater and water maximum depth. It comes in 3 bands, trail loop, alpine loop and ocean band. All units come with GPS and cellular connectivity, and the sale is priced around $799. It is initially rumored to come around $900, but it's a good pricing with all the features. I think ramen cashier had to be there. The watches are shipping from September 23. I can share and subscribe for more.